Hey, Jeremy Ryan Slay here, CEO and co-founder of Command Your Brand. And I'm on travel right now, so I'm out here in beautiful Hollywood, California. And I want to talk about a subject that's really, really important. There's a question I get all the time. And it's, hey, Jeremy, what would you spend your money on, PR or marketing? If you had a tight budget and you could only spend it on one thing, what would you spend it on? And I'll be honest with you, sure, I run a PR agency, but I would spend my last dollar on public relations. When we started this company in 2016, the number one thing we put our attention on was PR. What does that mean? I was writing for different publications. I was appearing in different places. I was on different podcasts. I was on television channels. I was in newspapers. I was speaking at conferences. And here is why. Have you ever had this problem? Or maybe you have the reverse of this problem. Maybe you have no leads. Maybe you have leads coming in and there's lots of them. And you're looking at it and you're saying, we have all these leads, but we're not closing. Is it a sales problem? Is it a marketing problem? Do we need to look at a different place to get our leads? And here's what I'll tell you. You'll take a look at it and you're most likely not doing any public relations for your company. This is what I mean by that. People have to know you, like you, and trust you. And you have to look at it like this. It's a cycle of action. Public relations creates trust. Marketing creates the motion. Then sales closes the motion and brings that energy into your business. If you're not doing a public relations campaign, you're not creating trust. So you need to create trust for people to do business with you. People need to know about you. Any business number one problem is not having enough people know about you. If you're obscure, if you're unknown, not only good luck in selling, but good luck in having everybody to sell to. So you have to have people know you, like you, and trust you if they're ever going to make a buying decision with you. And one of the things that I've done a lot is I've done a lot of keynote speaking. And here's what I'll tell you. I've never pitched to get a keynote. What ends up happening is I've been on lots of the right podcasts and someone either hears about me on that show or a host asks me to come speak at their conference. I have another one coming up in November that I'm speaking at. This is the way you create motion, being on the right podcast in the right places and creating trust. Because if an audience knows you, because you've spoken on the right topic, spoken to the right people, or sat with the correct host that also gives you credibility and positioning, you're going to find your sales cycles are shorter. And here's the thing I would ask you, because people take a look at a PR program and they say, well, what is the ROI of working with you for a year? And I have to ask them one question. What is the value of one sale to you? And if you got one sale on your public relations program, would it be worth your time? And I will tell you 9 times out of 10, the answer is yes. And our clients aren't just seeing that happen once. They're usually seeing it happen multiple times. But within that, they're also seeing speaking engagements, joint ventures, joint email marketing campaigns. They're seeing travel opportunities. They're seeing other forms of business come into your company. So frankly, if you're looking at a podcast program or a public relations program and you're saying, I don't have budget for public relations, here's the problem. You can't afford not to have a budget for public relations because people have to know you, like you, and trust you in order to be able to make a buying decision with you. And you need to be able to do all these other things so that your marketing is more successful and you create a bigger vision for your company, because your number one battle you're fighting is obscurity. If people do not know you, they can't tell other people about you, they can't make a buying decision with you. And if they don't trust you, well, good luck getting any leads to give you their money. So if you want to book a call with us at Command Your Brand, because we can help you do that and help you do that today, immediately, right now, get you known, get you seen, get you heard, head over commandyourbrand.com/book a call. Book a call with our team right now, and we will get you started to create trust, to create that bigger vision, to take what's in your head and get it out there and get other people to know about it so that they buy into your grand vision and you create a movement. That's what public relations does. It creates a movement for the centuries.